Good day, guys. Today I'm going to show you on how to use smart list and filters to organize your contacts in Zapify.io. Inside the contact section, select Smart List. Select Add Smart List and apply filters such as tag, dates, added pipeline stage, or custom fields. So under the Smart List, um, click Add Smart List, and from here you can now add filters, advanced filters. So you can filter it by age, business name, city, company, contact type, country, created by, and many more. For example, let's use email or by age. So to 19 and 22. So once you are satisfied with your criteria, you can now click apply. Okay, years. So once you are now satisfied with your criteria, click apply, and then the the filter will automatically uh, matches your criteria. So you can delete your filter here, then click apply. The filter is now removed. So the purpose of this filter, you can use this to segment leads, active clients, or cold contacts. So that's it.